Well, as you can see, I've finished building the amplifier. I've used a couple of knobs off an old amp that I had lying around. I've got a collection of these things. Fitted a power switch there and a 3.5mm headphone socket and a red powered LED on the left. Turning around, a pair of phono inputs, a DC 12 to 15 volt input and a pair of binding post speaker sockets. I'll just take the hood off now and show you what I've done inside. Okay, starting over here, as you can see I've fitted a couple of 50k potentiometers, volume controls for left and right channel, individual left and right channel control. There's the power switch going from the input at the back and the board. There's the LED and there's the headphone socket. And these are the two 2030A chips, modules that are fitted. These are 15 watts each. All the regular stuff there, all this jungle IC wiring all over the place. But I'll tell you, it sounds really nice. I'll give you a sound demo in a minute. Oh, and I've built a dedicated headphone attenuator there with two capacitors and two resistors underneath. So that's completely separated from the rest of the board. The headphone output on this sounds really, really nice. These are just bits and bobs of old circuit boards out of old stereos that I've put in here, and I've modified them and, you know, fitted them in myself. That's basically me make my own circuit. But I'll put this top back on now and I'll give you a sound demo, and you'll see that it sounds pretty damn good on my Monitor Audio BR1 speakers. So I'll get onto that now and I'll show you what it sounds like.
Okay, it's pretty bloody loud.
Well, you've just heard the amp, and I think you'll agree that it sounds pretty good, especially on their Monitor Audio BR1 speakers. I seem to love this little amp, and that's where the volume was, a quarter of the way, and it was pretty bloody loud. So thanks for watching, and I hope this has inspired you to get your own built. Cheers!